In this video, I will show you how you can create music just using the Microsoft Copilot in under 2 minutes. All you have to do is go to this website. It's copilot.microsoft.com, and in the plugins, you make sure that the Suno plugin is enabled, and if it's enabled, it will be like this. And you will see this box here, this option. You can create a sample audio using that button, or you can just write your own prompt here. In this example, I am asking it to create a song, asking people to subscribe and share my videos on Soft Reviewed channel. That's the name of this channel. So I'm asking for like a call to action, and that's all I'm doing, and it's actually coming up with the lyrics and generating the song for me. As you can see, it's doing that real time. It's writing the verses, and once it's done, you will see the play button above. Now the play button is not visible. You'll have to wait, give it some more few seconds, and I think it's ready. And once you see that listen button, now you can listen the song.
Turn up the volume and let the beat drop. A catchy tune that's gonna make you pop. Our reviews on the latest tech trends, but we need your support, so listen up, my friends. Hit that subscribe button, don't you hesitate, like and share my videos, it's never too late. Help us grow, spread the word, and let it flow. Soft preview channel, we're ready to go.
That was just amazing, right? So now if you want to download the song, there is no option directly given. If you just click here, it's going to just export it as Word, PDF or TXT file. And if you directly go to Suno by clicking the link also, you will not see that song that you created here. The only option we have right now is to right click and click here on save audio as, and now you can save the file by giving it a name like subscribe music, and just click on the save button, and that will save the song here. And if you just play the music, you can listen to that again. And I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please do like, share and subscribe. It's making things that seems like impossible 2 or 3 months back. Now it seems like it's child's play. I'm not sure what all things AI can do for us in the future. I'm really excited to see where it's taking us. And now I'll be doing some captioning for this audio, and I'll again play that for you in the end. I really like the song. I hope you liked it as well. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more future tech videos like this, and enjoy the song.
Turn up the volume and let the beat drop. A catchy tune that's gonna make you pop. Our reviews on the latest tech trends, but we need your support, so listen up, my friends. Hit that subscribe button, don't you hesitate, like and share my videos, it's never too late. Help us grow, spread the word, and let it flow. Soft preview channel, we're ready to go.